Okay. Hello, dear Anna. Can you see me? Okay. So, my dear Anna, where are Tom's pet? Okay. My dear Anna, where is the fish? My dear Anna, where's the fish?
Inside the cat.
Okay. Very good. But my dear, again, the fish is on the grass. Can you say that, my dear Anna?
The fish is on the ground.
Good job, my dear Anna. Hello, dear Lily. Dear Lily, where is the mouse? My dear Lily, where is the mouse?
The mouse in the shoe.
Oh, very good, my dear. Good job, my dear Lily. Next, my dear, dear Rosie, where is the spider? Where is the spider, my dear? My dear Rosie?
This spider ball.
Good job, my dear, again. The spider is under the
This
ball.
spider the ball.
Good job, my dear. Okay, dear Anna, where is the frog? Oh, no, this is not a frog, I guess. This one. Sorry, this one. Where is the frog?
The frog is on the hat.
Good job, my dear Anna. Dear Lily, where is the snake? Where's the snake?
They also was under the cat.
Yes. Good job, my dear Lily. Okay, you did a great job, my dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie for this activity. And we will go to our next activity. Okay. So, my dear, this lizard in the box. The spider is on the bowl. Okay, again, sorry. My dear, can you please, my dear Anna, where is the fish? Where is the fish again? And you have to choose here.
The lizard in the box.
Very good, my dear Anna. Next, dear Lily, where is the frog?
The the
Where's the frog?
the frog on the house.
Very good, my dear Lily. Okay, dear Rosie, where is the spider?
The spider on the book.
Very good, my dear Rosie. Okay, next. My dear Anna, where is the mouse?
The mouse in the school.
Okay, again. Very good, my dear Anna. Next, my dear Lily. Where is the the snake?
The lizard is in the box.
I mean the snake, my dear Anna. Sorry, my dear Lily. Where's the snake? My dear Lily, where is the snake?
The snake is under the couch.
Very good. Good job, my dear Lily. Okay. Good job, my dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie. Very good. Good job. And good job. Yay, very good. Okay. Okay, again, where's Storm Spider? My dear Rosie, can you please read? Where's the Storm Spider? My dear Rosie, where is the Tom Spider?
Is on the box.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next. My dear, you have to talk about the picture. Okay. My dear, look, Dan is at the zoo. He likes taking photos of the animals there. Okay, my dear Anna, where is the monkey? Okay, can you please turn on your mic?
The monkey beside the school bag.
Okay, again, my dear Anna. Again.
The monkey beside the school bag.
Very good job. That's right, my dear. Or the monkey
The monkey
is looking to Dan.
is looking to back.
Very good, my dear Anna. Okay, dear Lily. What is... Oh, how many animals that you see in the picture? How many animals in the zoo?
There are 5 animals at the zoo.
Okay. Okay. Very good, my dear. Okay. My dear Rosie, what color of the fish?
The fish is on the water.
Very good, my dear Rosie. How about what color of the fish that you see? What color of the fish?
Is color
Oh, sorry.
red and yellow.
Very good, my dear Rosie. Good job. Okay, my dear Anna, where is the giraffe?
For zero behind the
Can you please read?
is next to the wall.
Yes, very good, dear Anna. Good job. Next, my dear Lily, what are the bird doing? My dear Lily, what are the bird doing?
There, there bird
Okay, what are the bird doing?
is flying.
Yes, very good, my dear Lily. Dear Rosie, how many fish are there? How many fish?
Is many three fish.
Okay, how many?
Is three fish.
Okay, there. Can you please say it again, my dear Rosie? There are
Three fish.
Good job, my dear Rosie. Next, my dear Anna, what color are the fishes?
The color is red and yellow.
Very good, my dear Anna. Or, can you please read this one, my dear?
They are red and yellow.
Very good, my dear Anna. Good job. Okay. So, we will going to play, my dear, at the game at the zoo. Oh, sorry. Yes. Okay. Image you are at the zoo. Describe what you see that different animals are in different corners. Okay. My dear Anna, can you please write the 6 sentences for these things? Position. Okay, for example, the mouse is in the shoe. Okay. How about you, dear Anna? Can you please write about the fish?
About
Yes.
the fish is in the water.
Very good, my dear Anna. How about you, dear Lily? Where is the snake? My dear Lily, can you please write the things about snake?
The snake is the snake is under the bed.
Very good, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Rosie, where is the spider? I mean, can you please give me a sentences about the spider that you see?
The spider is on the pole.
Very good, my dear Rosie. Good job. You did a great job, my dear. Okay, thank you for this activity. And we will go to our next activity, Unit 16. I will go into... Okay. What is your favorite fruit, my dear Anna?
My favorite food is apple.
Wow, it's so delicious. How about you, dear Lily? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is the
Okay, wow. Good job. Okay. Okay. Very good, my dear. Okay, we will have here the new words. Oh, sorry. Again. Oh no. The oh oh, my dear Rosie, are you with Anna?
yes.
Oh, I see. That's why. You are same, you have a same house with Rosie?
No.
Oh. Are you a cousin? My dear Anna?
No.
No. Oh, why? Why you are you in her house, my dear Rosie? Why?
Because
Because what? Okay, my dear, I think you can show the pictures. Can you please read, my dear Anna?
oh,
Very good. My dear Rosie, what's this?
food.
Very good. Okay, wait. Okay, my dear Anna and Rosie and Lily, this is beans. Beans. Okay, so this is a beans. Yes. Okay, this is a bean. Okay, next. Oh, sorry. My dear Lily, what's this? My dear Lily, what's this?
Is apple.
Hmm? This one?
Is
Okay, good job, my dear. Okay, next. My dear Anna, what's this?
is carrot.
Very good. My dear Rosie, what's this?
Red.
Good job. My dear Lily, what's this?
is lemon.
Very good. Next. My dear Anna, what's this?
Is lemon.
Very good. My dear Rosie, what's this?
Is mango.
Very good. My dear Lily, what's this?
Is onion.
Good job. Next, my dear Anna, what's this?
Orange.
My dear Rosie, what's this?
Is
Good job. My dear Lily, what's this?
pear.
Very good. Okay, the last one. My dear Anna, what's this?
Is pineapple.
Good job. Next, my dear Rosie.
Potato.
Again.
Potato.
Very good. My dear Lily, what's this?
Tomato.
Very good. Okay. Oh no, I think we were going to change our lesson for today because you can see the 16. Okay. I think you can see the picture. Okay, what's on the menu? Okay. My dear Rosie, what's this?
Is egg.
Okay, again, fried egg.
Fried egg.
Good job, my dear Rosie. Next. Dear Anna, what's this?
Is hamburger.
Do you like eating hamburger?
Yes.
Wow, very good. How about you, dear Lilia? What's this?
Is hamburger. Is here.
Very good, my dear Lily. Do you like eating pizza? My dear Lily, do you like eating pizza?
Pizza.
Okay, do you like eating pizza?
No.
Okay. Next. Okay, next, my dear Rosie, what's this?
Is hot dog.
Again, hot dog. Very good. Okay, dear Anna, what's this?
Horse.
Okay, good job. Next, my dear Lily, what's this?
Is noodle.
Good job. Next, my dear Anna, sorry, dear Rosie, what's this?
Is sandwich.
Yes. Dear Anna, what's this?
Is fried chicken.
Do you like eating fried chicken?
Yes, I like.
Wow. Okay, dear Lily, what's this?
Is pig.
Very good. Good job. Next, dear Anna, dear Lily, Rosie, I mean, sorry. What's this?
Is red.
Very good. Dear Anna, what's this?
Is cat.
Good job. Next, my dear Lily, what's this?
Is ice cream.
Yes, very good. My dear Rosie, what's this?
Is donut.
Good job. Dear Anna, what's this?
Oh.
Very good. Dear Lily, what's this? My dear Lily? What is this?
Is orange juice.
Very
Juice.
good. Juice. Orange juice. Can you say it again, my dear Lily? Orange juice. Okay,
Orange juice.
very good. Okay, dear Rosie, what's this?
Milk.
Very good. Next, my dear Anna. Good job. Dear Lily?
Is
Again, lemonade. My dear Lily, again, lemonade. Good job. Very good. You did a great job for the vocabulary. Okay, next, my dear Anna, Lily, and Rosie, you have to write the menu. Add your favorite lunch to the menu too. Okay. What is the man got for lunch? My dear,
is onions and sauces.
how about you, dear Rosie? Where is Rosie, my dear Anna? Okay. Okay. What is the girl got for lunch?
Is bukan
Again, my dear Rosie?
fish and sauces.
Okay, good job. Very good. Fish and potatoes. Okay, I think, my dear, that's all for today. Goodbye, dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie. See you on Saturday. Goodbye.
Teacher.
Goodbye. Good night. You have to sleep early, okay? You're so cute.